we guide you through how to fix Telegram not working. So first, check your internet connection by opening another website or app. If everything else works, close Telegram and open it again. Next, check for updates in the Google Play Store or Apple Store, since outdated version can cause problems. If Telegram still isn't working, go to your phone settings, open apps, select Telegram, and clear its cache. Then restart your phone and try again. You should also check if Telegram's servers are experiencing an outage. If the problem continues, make sure your phone has enough storage and the Telegram has required permissions enabled. And finally, uninstall and reinstall Telegram as last resort. These steps can fix common issues like Telegram not opening, messages not sending, or notifications not working.